Hi guys, my name is Mazen. I hope you are doing great today. Actually, earlier we learned about what is DevOps, what is the DevOps methodology, why lots of organizations are using DevOps methodology and implementing in our projects. After that, we learned about what is the cloud platform, why we are using cloud, which cloud platforms are there, and after that we learn about what is the operating system, what is the Windows operating system, what is the Linux operating system, what is the Linux history, who created Linux operating system. After that we created a one EC2 instance in AWS cloud platform and connected with our Ubuntu operating system, which we are using for the local in that CLI command line interface. Okay, so now it's time to learn Linux file system and some basic command in that Linux. Okay, so let's start. Yes, right. So first of all, what is the file system? Okay, so I have created one small definition of file system. A file system organizes how the data stored and accessed on our Linux machine. Okay, so this is the simple definition of file system. So in that Linux, there are multiple file types are there. So first is the regular files, directories are there, symbolic and hard links are there, DevOps files are there, devices files are there, sockets and pipes is there. Okay, so this is the file system definition and some files types in that Linux. Okay. So this is the important Linux directories. Okay. So this is the very important Linux directories are there. First is a slash. Slash means it's indicating root directory. Everything starts from the here. In that root directory, all over this bin, boot, etc, home, var, user, temp, dev, and process directories are there. Okay. So next one is bin. Bin essential commands. Okay. Boot. So basically, boot directories save the all entire system booting all over files in that boot directory. Next one is etc. etc save the all configurations file. Home saves the all user and home directories. Var save the all variables, log, cache, mail, all over history we can say that, as well as all software's logs saved in that var directory. Then next user. User means a user program and libraries. Temp in that temp directory saved all temporary files. Next one is a dev. So device file. So basically all over USB, external drive, hard drive, and CD, all over external drives in external drives saved in that the dev directory. So next one is the process. Okay, so process is a system process and kernel information is there. So this is the actual some important Linux directories are there. Okay, so we need to check in that Ubuntu CLI. Okay, clear. Okay, so now we are in a root directory. Okay, so now we are in a root directory. So bin directory is there, then CD-ROM. So these are the my personal directories is there. Okay, and as well as important directories are there. Okay, so in that bin cd command. So basically cd command stand for the change the directory. Suppose we need to change the directory from one directory to another directory, we need to execute cd command, cd bin. Okay, ls. So all over bin directory entire files are there. Okay, ls. So now need to go to previous directory. Just execute cd space dot dot. Okay, ls. So now we are in a root directory. So just clear ls. Yes, so clear there. So now we need to go user directory. cd user. Okay, so all our users directory entire here. Okay, next one cd dot ls. So now need to go boot directory, cd boot. Okay, ls. So all over boot directories structure is there. Okay, so in that all over booting files are there. So this is the very important files are there. Whenever we delete any file in that boot directory, uh, we will crash our entire Linux operating system. So we need to then install the new operating system, and no another option for that. Okay, for that purpose sudo privilege command is there. So we can't delete directly the this boot. Okay, ls dot ls. Yeah. Okay, so these are a simple some directory structure in there in that the Linux operating system. Okay, next one, some basic Linux command is there. Who am I? So basically it's indicating display logged in username. Which username using this operating system while using this command, who am I? Then date indicate the display current date. Cal means a calendar. Clear, so we are using a previous one, we are using a clear command for clear the all screen. So pwd, so pwd is the present working directory. Okay, so cd stand for the change the directory. mkdir, mkdir means we need to create a new directory, we can use the mkdir command. Then rmdir, then rmdir we need to delete a created working directory, then we can delete using a rmdir command. Okay, just do the practically. Okay, clear, so just clear command, it's clear the all screen. So basically ls command indicate the all directory name saved in that the directory. Okay, ls command. Then we need to go to another directory, just the cd change the directory, then bin. Okay, yes, just clear the all screen, ls. Okay, then go to the previous directory, just the cd space dot ls, clear. Okay, so now we need to go a home directory. Okay, cd home. Now we are in a home directory. In that home directory, cube mass directory is there. Okay, then go to the cd change the directory, cube mass. So now we are in a cube mass directory, ls. So all our entire directories are there in that cube mass directory. Okay, suppose we need to create a new directory, then we need to execute mkdir my new one, enter. So my new one directory is there. Okay, so now it's created my new one directory. So we need to go to the in that directory, just the cd my new directory. Okay, now we are in a my new directory, just click ls command. So just we we did not created any files in that my new directory. Okay, suppose we need to create a new text file, as well as we are using just like in that in Windows operating system we are using a notepad, as well as we can use in that Linux notepad as a using a nano command. So just execute nano command, nano my new text. Okay, just enter. So just hello hello world. Okay, just type here hello world, then control x, then y, then enter. Okay, then execute ls command. Ls command indicates show the list. And okay, so now we created the my new text. This is the text file. Okay, so if we have to check the all text which we are written in that text file, so just execute cat command, cat my new text. Okay, yes, this is the hello, right? ls, just a clear command indicates clear the all screen. Okay, and ls. So now this is my new text. Actually I need to delete this my new text file. Okay, so just rm command. Rm commands indicates the delete the any file using a rm command. Just rm my new. So now it's deleted. Just clear now. So clear means clear the all screen. Okay, suppose we need to go another directory, ls. Okay, in that ls we had created already my new one directory. Okay, suppose I need to delete this directory. Just execute rm kdir, then my new, enter. Sorry, rm dir, my new. So now it's deleted. Okay, just clear. Okay, next command, uh, just like for the networking command. Suppose I need to check my ip address. Just uh, execute ip config. Okay, I have not created. Okay, suppose we need to ping commands indicate the give the traffic from uh, my network to the another network. Just ping command. Okay, ping. Okay, use my personal website name, mazen sayyad dot site. Okay, so it's checking the all networking related. Yes, it's working. Okay, so just control and c. Okay, so basically if you have to stop the process, then you can use the control and c button. Okay, so just declare. Okay, so next one is the suppose you have to copy one directory to another directory. Just use the cp command. Okay, then if you have to move the file from another directory to different directory, then you can use mv command. Okay, so there are multiple commands are there. Okay, so basically some basic commands are there in that the linux. So we will learn about that. So that is the actually linux file structure, and some basic commands are there in that the linux operating system. So thank you so much guys.